In this video, let me show you how we can save a rendered image and also do a screenshot directly from the modeling environment. So let's start with the renderings. Here you see all the finished images which I issued to render online. And I double click this one, the render gallery will open. I can zoom in, I can go forward and backwards between the different images, and then here is the button to download the image as PNG, JPEG, TIFF, etc. And now this is very important when we want to put this into a product presentation. We want to save the transparent background. And we save this as PNG. And so there's now the dialog. I will save this to the desktop. Okay, saved. If you would like to adjust this image a little bit, we can click here on this plus minus. That's for post-processing. So after the rendering, we can play with the exposure a little bit more. What do we have here? I'll just properly adjust color adjustments, linear, and vivid. So they adjust the colors a little bit for you. We have color correction. We can move the white point if needed. There's a bloom amount, bloom multiplier. Let's see. It kind of gives a little bit of an artificial glow, but I find this be a little bit tricky to use. And you click apply and then simply save. And that's pretty much the way how you can save the images when they're rendered. To save now just a screenshot, let's say from this view. So we don't want to do the renderings and we don't, let's say, have the time or the need. Because not always do you want to show a final rendering. Sometimes you just want to show screenshots to document your process. I will here turn the ground plane off. So as you can see, I only have the object and I can go into the individual views. See here, I go to this quarter view. Zoom in sufficiently so that the object is nice and big, and then I will go to File, Capture Image, Transparent Background, Anti-aliasing, the 1920 by 900. That's actually the view area. We can override this, but essentially as long as the product fits into the screen, that's fine. And then in Photoshop we can crop this. Click OK. Then it asks you where we want to save this. I will save this to the desktop and save. Then let's go to the desktop. And here is the saved image from the rendering. And here's the saved image from the screenshot. See, pretty awesome. And that pretty much is it in a nutshell in how to save the screenshot and the rendered image in Fusion 360.